welcome to Curry TV. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having fun. We are also having fun. Today is Halloween, or we are celebrating Halloween ahead of time just for you guys. So for that, I wanted to show you some kid-friendly recipes that you can create for your kids. Very healthy and easy things that they can even make on their own. So for that, let me also bring my kids in and we'll have a costume party along with some goodies. Can you guess what I am? I am the Egyptian Cleopatra. Yes, Cleopatra. The only thing I do not like is the snake up here. It's just kind of haunting me. Of course, that's all about Halloween, right? Being haunted or make a haunted scene for everybody. So let's bring in my girls and let's make caramel apple. It's so easy. You can do it with your kids. So my set is ready. My kids are ready. Nidia is Maleficent, and Nimita is the princess. All right, so we got the drama in the house, we got the horror in the house, we got everything going, right? So today we're gonna make vampire's blood.
Yes.
The vampire's blood. It's Halloween, so why not make it
Vampire blood.
all right? So for that we need a red color juice. It could be any of your choice. Pomegranate juice, Hawaiian punch, cranberry juice, any of your choice. Because it's a blood theme, choose to prefer red color. We need some water and we're gonna make our own touch to vampire blood, making our own ice. We need some dry ice to make that spooky feeling. We need Sprite. Alright, so let's see how it's done. So into a glass, put your gloves in and pour some water so that we can make our own ice. Okay, so very good. Our gloves is filled up. Let's tie this up. So our gloves is ready. Now what we're gonna do is keep it in the freezer and we'll take it out. So you guys off to freezers?
Yeah. This is actually fun to play with.
Yes, it is. So one of our gloves is ready to go. What we are going to do is cut this and put it into our fruit punch bowl. So just trim off and see, ta-da,
Ta-da-da!
ta-da-da. Yes, just like that.
Vampire hand.
Vampire hand, or you can break their fingers too and it'll be floating. Okay. Oh. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Okay.
See ya.
Let's place that into the bowl. There's a few more.
There's a hand cut off.
Yeah, fingers are cut off. Okay. After we place our ice cubes, we're going to get our dry ice. Be careful when you handle dry ice.
It's kind of like snow ice.
It's not like snow ice. It actually will burn your skin. So anyone who is handling dry ice should take necessary precautions to make sure that you don't touch this dry ice. Okay? We can do a lot of experiments with this, but it's no fun to be visiting the hospital right now. Okay?
Oh, there's a difference. It's kind of like snowy and this one is kind of like...
Yes. So if you insert dry ice into the drink, you have to wait for it to evaporate completely before you can have it. But if you put it like so, that you don't have that issue. Okay? So this is good. Now we are going to have the fun part.
I'm getting that.
Okay? Ready? my lady?
Abracadabra, abracazam, make this into vampire blood. Ooh, blood.
So therefore, we have our vampire drink all set. I hope you guys will try this out for this Halloween. Thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.